Today we are at the first day of Phillips Demo Center inauguration event in Noida. We got really good response. We could meet up a lot of modern manufacturers. They were really excited about seeing the Markforged machines here, which are going to give them the tremendous benefit in terms of driving their innovation journey and adding the new disruptive technology in their portfolio. Look forward to meet up a lot of new exciting people with the new business ideas as well in next few days.
Visiting here is really lovable. Meeting with such a nice team, with a nice, great people, and the ideas here, the kind of displays they have, the kind of ideas they have, it is brilliant. It is very nice. It is enriching my knowledge, and developing my vision that what can be done, what the possibilities are there in the technology. The way they are ahead with the machines, with the systems, it is amazing. It's good to be here. It's really great to be here. And I'm finding great utility of my time, and it will be a learning experience here with this team.